Hello, we will now look at responsibility accounting. Now, what does that entail? It means we will assign various managers in various departments or in various jobs certain outcomes that will be expected. Like for example, we can have accounting department, HR department, production department, and so forth. Each department will have a budget, and the budget can be break down very detailed into their labor cost, material cost, or overhead cost, and so forth. And when we compare actual for the accounting department, we look at the actual labor, material, overhead cost. And when we compare against the accounting department budget, then we know the difference. Okay? And we can take action if the difference is unfavorable. The key point is we need to identify where is the unfavorable variance so that we can channel our actions to go and do a countermeasures. Okay? So the accounting department is like a responsibility center. We will assign accounting department to maybe the accounting manager. The same thing applies to a production department. We can assign one manager as a production manager, and then we will give him the budget and the outcome expected, the KPIs and so forth. And then we will use the actual data to compare against what was assigned or expected of him. And again, any difference, we will have to investigate the difference and try to find the countermeasures. That is the key for responsibility accounting. Now, one of the problems we see in responsibility accounting is for example, the production manager, during the assigning of outcomes or the assigning of the budgetary cost, he may do some padding. Padding means he put in extra money for the budget as a form of insurance. So when the actual is little bit out, it will not show up so badly because there was a lot of padding in the budget. Or let's put another way, maybe we give the production manager outcome, a KPI. You must make 1 million handphones per month. But he may have argued and say, oh, 1 million is too much, why don't we have a target of 800,000? Right, so if the actual is 900,000, everybody seems to be happy because 900,000 actual is lower than 800,000. But if the KPI was set up correctly as 1 million, the production manager is not performing well. So when you're doing responsibility accounting, it has to be make sure that the KPI or the outcome expected must be clear and reasonable and achievable. And the actual result must come out very, very fast. And the actual result must be relevant, reliable, timely, so that we can take actions very fast for responsibility accounting. Now, sometimes it's possible that the managers cannot achieve their KPI because changes in circumstances or not enough resources was allocated, or competitor or political or social events have changed the budget or the outcome so much that it cannot be achieved. If that's the case, we have to change our targets. Okay? Thank you very much. I'll see you again.